Good morning, this is Mark, inventor of the Dirt Locker, and we are here outside of Atlanta, Georgia with a really exciting project. In this video, we're excited to show you how the Dirt Locker Hillside terracing system transformed this homeowner's eroding and non-productive hillside into a beautiful, safe, and productive pollinator garden in just 4 days. The transformation was so impressive that the HOA has invited the homeowner to showcase her newly transformed hillside at their upcoming community gardening show. Our new Dirt Locker installer in Atlanta, Moss Landscape Design Group, installed and filled 360 dirt lockers in just 3 days with a 3-man crew. Impressive for a first dirt locker installation. If you're a landscape professional interested in becoming a dirt locker installer, visit our website and fill out the Become an Installer form. It's a fantastic opportunity to establish yourself in the growing field of hillside stabilization and erosion control. Carrie, the owner of this beautiful property, was deeply concerned about her hillside. Her primary worry was erosion, which posed a threat to her hillside, the stability of her retaining wall, and her home's foundation. As an avid gardener, Carrie was also eager to reclaim her hillside and transform it into a usable space, while meeting the high standards set by her homeowner association.
I'm Carrie Maxwell, and I live a little bit north of Atlanta, Georgia. And I knew I had a problem with erosion, and I started to get worried about the integrity of my home site. It has a big retaining wall. If anything happened to that retaining wall, my lot would kind of disappear. And I had tried a number of different solutions. Nothing seemed to be a system. Nothing seemed to be cohesive and long-term. And so I continued doing exploration on the web and came across Dirt Locker. Their site was the only site that really showed a complete system, a complete product line, and a way to put it together that made sense, that was reasonable, that was long-term, that was ecologically friendly, and would allow me to use the space rather than just covering it with landscape cloth. It allows me to kind of keep with the neighborhood's appreciation of native wildlife and pollinators and plants. It's a beautiful community. They care a lot about, keeping the community up to very strict standards. So I went forward, contacted Dirt Locker. They put me in touch with someone local. And it's been a remarkable process. It's been very well thought out. A lot of planning went into it, all of which I was involved in. And as you can see, we've made tremendous progress. So I'm looking forward to this as being a long-term solution for me.
Dirt Locker products are effective on all types of hillsides, including mild slopes, curved and irregular slopes, as well as steep slopes up to 45 degrees, and are suitable for any climate or soil type. In Carrie's case, her hillside has a 35-degree slope and a curve. To fit the terrain, we installed the Dirt Lockers using the separate row application. For this project, we're also introducing a new Dirt Locker model specifically designed for steeper and curved slopes, making it perfect for challenging slopes like Carrie's. To find the right product for your slope and learn how to install it, visit our website and click the Estimator button. After 2 days, the initial installation of 360 Dirt Lockers was complete, and it was now time to backfill with soil. Our new installer, Moss Landscape Design Group, was able to schedule a blow-in soil service to come out and place the soil in the Dirt Lockers. For smaller Dirt Locker projects, filling them by hand is manageable. But for larger projects like this one on a steep hillside, using a blow-in service is more cost-effective than hiring laborers to fill them manually over several days. Remarkably, it only took 2.5 hours to complete the job, and I was blown away, no pun intended, by how efficiently it worked. If you're looking for a blow-in soil service in your area, I recommend asking your landscape contractor. Once the Dirt Lockers were installed and backfilled with high-quality soil, it was time for the creative part, planting. Carrie and Everett collaborated on a detailed planting plan that mapped out where each plant would go, along with the placement of stepping stones to give Carrie easy access to her garden. Carrie marked each planting spot with flags, carefully denoting where every plant and stepping stone would be placed. They invested significant time selecting plants that would not only create a beautiful pollinator-friendly garden, but also help combat erosion and are suitable for her climate zone. The dirt lockers allow these plants to thrive by protecting them from gravity, water loss, and nutrient depletion. As the plants take root, they form a dense network of roots that binds the soil together, reducing the risk of it being washed away by the rain and wind. Additionally, the roots absorb water, decreasing the amount of runoff during rainfall, which is a key factor in preventing erosion on the hillside. If you're struggling with a difficult hillside, we've got the perfect solution to transform it into a beautiful, thriving garden. Visit dirtlocker.com or contact us today to learn how our proven system can stabilize your slope and unlock its full potential. If this video has inspired you to reclaim your hillside, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for exciting updates on dirt locker projects near you. And if you have any questions or anything else you'd like to add to this, please do so in the comments. Thank you very much.